It's around 2 o'clock, December 12th. It's the last day of the PA rifle season. I'm filming my buddy Noah. He's going after a buck or a doe. Apparently there's a real big buck and an albino buck in here, but he said he'll take a doe too. So my dad's down at the bottom. Hopefully we can get some deer on this deer drive. Second drive. On that last drive, a buck went up on top and around us. And we had a doe. My dad and Noah both passed on it. But hopefully some more deer come through on this drive. Merp, merp, merp. Shoot right through there. Oh. There's no leg. Whoa, that was cool. That was cool. They're going. You better get ready. Get on this opening. Get on this opening. You better be ready. Here it comes. It's coming. It's coming. Just walking. Get ready. That's your only opening. There it is. It's coming in that opening. That's all. It's in the pines. There's 2 of them. Watch down here. Watch to your left. Hey, watch down here. They're gonna come out. They're just sitting there. Shoot it. Get on and shoot it. Okay, just wait. Is that down? I think so. I think it went down. Alright. Oh, hey. High five. Yes. Alright. That was insane. What just happened? Noah's dad did a big loop. There's this pine trees right here. And Noah's dad went across this top up here. He kicked 2 doe out and they came 10 yards. A little doe and a little bit bigger one came 10 yards right in front of us. He couldn't get a shot. And then 2 or 3 more doe. Or deer, I don't know what they were. I could just see their tails going. I'm like, alright, down here's your only opening. You better get on that. Sure enough, those doe were just deer. We don't know what yet.
I mean, I can just see.
Yeah.
It's a pinhole.
Yeah.
Right down through those trees.
And
saw that ball
he shot, and we heard some crashing, and then it just stopped. So we're gonna wait for these guys to come down here and see what we got.
Hopefully, we got a body on the ground.
Yeah, hopefully. There. It's dead. No, it's his. That's where it ran. Dead deer. Find where it's standing. Oh, right in here's where the deer is standing. You can barely even see through there, but we were out in that meadow. It came through these pines, and a lot of blood through here. Really opened it up. Shot it with a 308. Went down. You can just see it laying down there. Jump the creek.
We hit it wrong. Big deer.
Big deer.
Jeez.
Shot right through the chest. Good doe. Big doe. Alright, well, this was the third drive of the day. First one we saw a doe, a little bit smaller than this one. Could have taken a shot at it, had her in scope, but it was early. First drive, decided to pass, and went down past Greg, and he decided to pass too. And then second drive, we didn't see anything. Thought we might have heard some, but didn't really. Then third drive of the day, driving these thick pines through here. Notably the best drive of this area. Saw a real nice buck early in archery season, but didn't get a shot at him. So knew we were going to see deer. Turns out there were deer in there all through. Two doe came out pretty soon after it started. Came, I don't know, maybe about 50 yards to our right. Came out, stopped on the edge of the field, and then started running towards us. I mean, they were 10 yards when I right past us. Couldn't get a shot. Kind of upset about that, but still hoping that more deer would come down through. Sure enough, not too long after that, heard some more crashing. We saw them going through the tree line, and they stopped. Dan's like, "All right, you're gonna have one shot at this." And I thought they were gonna come out actually in a clearing that was a little closer, but he's like, "Oh, they're way back in the pines." So I look back, and there's literally this tiny hole. I mean, I can see it was probably about 60 yards to the tree line, and then about another 50, 60 yards back into the woods. I have no idea how there was a sight for me, but I just got the scope, saw this doe here, and somehow made an offhand shot. First doe for me. I mean, I've shot button bucks, but first female deer. Real nice big body, and I couldn't be happier right now.